if I say to you that you don't have to go to 9 to 5 jobs and make $500 per day, yeah, that's possible and easy. In this guide video, I am going to tell you a simple method to make $500 a day. So, keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed guide on how to make money online free, easy and fast. First of all, I want to show you that payment proof money that people are making from this method. So stay tuned with me. So open Amazon Kindle ebook and here you can see here people are making tons of money only selling ebooks. Here you can see this ebook is sold to 5,618 papers. If we calculate this, that how much amount this ebook make, here you can see that hardcover copy is $12.99 and paperback is 3.58. So if we calculate that 3.58 per ebook, you can blow up your mind. And here thousands of money he has made from this. Yeah, you can also make serious money from this method. It is legitimate and it's from Amazon. So here you can think that these people are making money from their own books and they have license to make money from this book. Yeah, you are right, but you can make money from others written book on this Amazon Kindle. So for that you can subscribe to the channel now. Let's jump right into other website which we are going to use to make our free ebook to sell on Amazon. So go to visme.co. Yeah, visme.co. Here is a website which we are going to use to make and our design our ebook. So here you can see they are saying that we are not just a tool, they are a whole world shop. So they are giving us a guide to make. So here you can see that they have worked with Search, IBM, this and Universal and lots of more brands they have worked with. Yeah, now you can see that they have a more and more work and more free for us. So here you can see and visit this website. So let's go top of this website, click templates. So when we click templates, we can see here survey results, branches, ebooks. So here click ebooks and here you can find a free ebook templates to make money from these designs and these. So here you can see this is a free ebook design. Whenever you click this and you can see this more details of this ebook. So when you click use this template, you have to sign up on or log in on visme.com to provide email address and password, or you can log in with Google. So I am going to log in with Google to make money from this. So here you can see that we can change these templates and text to make our own design. Yeah, so here is states and figures, graphics, text and diagram if you or want to use. If we change this image with this, we can click here and here you can see this image is changed and we can change this text. Yeah, it's so simple to redesign these templates and make your own ebook cover image. Yeah, right. Here you can ask that how we can write our whole ebook. So don't worry, stay tuned with me. Here is a bonus tip for you that you don't have to write your own ebook. Yeah, you don't have to write your own ebook. So go to Google and type free PLR. So here you can see that this website free PLR downloads. Yeah, you can download free PLR ebook from this. So if you can see here, there's a bunch of categories they are providing. For example, Amazon marketing and business, email marketing, finance, and bunch more. So here we are going to here self help. So when we click self help, you can see a bunch of ebook to use. So we are going to use this ebook. So you can see here this ebook has free access and free license for us to sell online. Yeah, free access to sell online. Here you can see the description of this ebook. So whenever you download this ebook, you have to go Kindle ebook and log in yourself or sign up yourself on here. Start selling free ebooks on AmazonKindle.com. And if you get any result, come upon my channel and comment down your success story. Yeah, so that's all for today. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.